Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So first of all, I start with powdering my eyebrows because they tend to be so oily. And using my Davis number 3 eye pencil, I'll just draw them really quick. So I'll just draw them quickly, and then I'll take my concealer in the shade Fawn and define them. So if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to put the notification buttons on. Then I'll define the other side. I really take time when it comes to my eyebrows sometimes, because sometimes it's just a mess. It's just a mess. So with the concealer that was left on my hand, I'll use that for my lids. And then I'll quickly take my powder and set it. And then today I'm using my Bare Mineral, and I'll start with the shade Wheat as my transition. I love this Bare Mineral palette because it comes with really easy and soft looks. Soft, I mean colors. And then with the shade Foreshadow, which is the chocolate shade, I'll use that on my crease. I want this look to be so easy for you guys. You can really do it even anytime you feel like you need that soft glamour, using the colors, any color that you want. And then I'll just cut my crease there, and I'm using my concealer in the shade Chestnut L.A Girl Concealer. And today I'm using the Huddah. I'm using the Huddah palette, and I'm taking the gold color with the setting spray, so to have a really heavy, a really good amount of it. And I'll apply that on my lid there, because I feel like a soft glamour with a really shimmery or glittery color on your lid just glows everything up and makes you look really glamorous. So lately I've been doing so then at the end I'll take the color Foreshadow, and I'll just use that to define that line to make sure it's really smooth, and then I'll blend the entire look. And then I'll curl my lashes. I'll use my Maybelline mascara to just make sure that the lashes are very defined and they have volume. And then I'll wipe off the excess. So I was supposed to put on lashes, but this happened. One of my lashes came off. Some pieces came off when I was trying to remove the glue. So what I do when I'm not applying lashes, I always do the second coat of mascara. And then using my Maybelline primer, I'll just prime my face. I do not like voiceovers, but I had to do it because there's been a construction going on around my area. So no matter how early I try to do my video, there's still noise. So you'll notice there's a different style. I'm starting with the concealer first. I'm using the Chestnut concealer, and this style I learned from Dennis Karuri's on Instagram. So whereby you start with the concealer to just cover the dark areas, conceal your under eyes, and cover my areas around my mouth, the area around my mouth where I tend to be dark. And then I'm going with my Maybelline foundation. And for this, I'll just use a small amount because I've already used the concealer, and for the concealer I've really used a lot. So I'll just put that on the parts where I don't have concealer. So it's a very good technique that I learned, and I decided to use it for this look. So I'll blend that, and always make sure your beauty blender or sponge is damp for you to have a really good foundation finish. So I blend that. You can see I'm barely touching where I had concealer. And then after that I take my brush, foundation brush, and I just blend everything up now. I'll use my concealer, again the shade Fawn, to just contour some parts of my nose also. Highlight some of my nose, my forehead, and on my chin, and then I'll quickly blend it. So with my banana powder, I'll just set that concealer up. By now you know I do not set for long because I try to avoid flashbacks, so I just do that and quickly powder everything up. I'm using the rest of the powder on the sponge to just powder the entire face. So after setting, I'll take my brush again and I I blend everything, and then again with the color foreshadow, and I'll use that to contour. I do not know how to use cream contour so far. I've been using whatever color that comes in my shadow palette, but soon I'll have a contour, and I hope the ones that arrive will be powder because I do not know how to use a cream one. So I'll just define under where I contoured to get a slim face and my cheekbones to really appear. So with my Chanlanya blush my face also. And then I'll contour my nose. And for contouring, I'm still using the same color in my palette. And then with the colors, the wheat and the foreshadow, I'll do my under eye. I'll apply it on my under eye. So it's really hard, and then I'll powder off the contour. Now I'll use my Estee Lauder setting spray to just set everything up. So first, before I apply my lipstick, I'm going to underline my lips using the same pencil that I use on my eyebrows, the Davies. Then with my Satin lipstick, the nude color, I'll just apply that. By now you know that I'm a nude girl. I love nudes. And then I'll take the brush and just blend the pencil together with the nude color. And then with my snarky gloss, Bare Mineral, I'll just apply gloss on top of that nude color to make it a bit glossy because it was too matte. Then with the Glow Kit Anastasia, I'll do, ooh, look at that. I apply my glow highlighter, highlight just on my cheekbones, on my forehead there. I think that glowing is the best thing in makeup. And then I'll highlight my nose with that tiny brush. Sometimes I like using my finger because I think my finger just does everything really nicely. And then I'll blend it all to just let it look natural, as if the glow is there. And then use my mascara on my lower lashes. And apply the highlighter on just there on my eyebrow line, and then on my tear duct to have that pop of color. that it was really quick and good. Then finally just brush my eyebrows, and there guys you go, is the final look. So thank you so much, I hope you like it, and I can't wait for you to try it and tell me your feedback. Bye, love you guys.